Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Gurmantra Shiksha Ka Granth. I am your educator Nidhi Dua and I warmly welcomes you at this platform. So guys, I hope you all are doing good, you all are fit and fine and your studies are going in a smooth manner. So in today's lecture, we are going to study about arenes and about the electrophilic substitution reaction. So before starting the topic, I would like to tell you about the syllabus that we have covered till now. As you can see on your screens, these are the topics that we have covered till now. Now without any further delay, let's begin our today's topic, that is about arenes or aromatic hydrocarbons. So arenes are aromatic hydrocarbons. The term aromatic originally referred to their pleasant smells, but now implies a particular sort of delocalized bonding. Okay. Arenes are cyclic planar and follows Huckel rule. Arenes are cyclic planar structures that follows Huckel rule, as you have studied about aromatic compounds in the previous lecture. Okay. When you talk about the arenes, there should be a cyclic resonance. If you talk about the general formula of arenes, that is CnH2n minus 6y. You have to remember this formula where N represents the number of carbon atoms while Y is equals to the number of ring present in the arene compound. If you talk about the characteristic reaction of arenes, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this is very important term, or you can say this is very important point, that is the characteristic reaction of arenes or cyclic compounds are electrophilic substitution reaction. Arenes are cyclic unsaturated compounds, means in arenes there will be double bond or triple bond present. That's why these are known as unsaturated compounds, and these type of unsaturated compounds do not give test of unsaturation with Br2CCl4 or alkyl KMnO4. This is also very important point, that arenes do not give any test with Br2CCl4 or alkyl KMnO4. If you talk about the main source of arenes, the main source of arenes is the coal tar, and they have the higher percentage of carbon, so burnt with the smoky flame. Next is the about benzene. So as you know it very well, benzene is a arene. Benzene is a cyclic compound. So these are the some properties of benzene ring. First of all, the benzene ring can be represented by this structure. Okay, this is the structure of benzene. Benzene is a hexagonal structure. One second guys. So this is your benzene structure. A chain of 6 carbon atoms present in a cyclic manner. Okay, what is this ring? This ring represents the delocalized double bond. Okay, benzene has cyclic planar and hexagonal structure. All the carbons are sp2 hybridized and bond angle is 120 degree in case of benzene ring. If you talk about the number of bond angle of 120 degree, that is 18. Number of sigma bond present in the benzene ring is 12 and number of pi bonds are equals to the 3. If we talk about the carbon-carbon bond length in case of benzene ring, this is about equal to 1.39 angstrom. Okay, this is angstrom. While if you talk about the bond length between C and H atom, then it will be 1.09 angstrom. Benzene ring has the resonance energy that is equals to the 36.6 kilocalorie and heat of hydrogenation of benzene ring is about 49.8 kilocalories. Next, the general method of preparation of benzenes. This topic is very important. You will get to know about the 10 different methods to prepare benzene ring. Okay, number one is from alkanes. When you take a simple N-hexane, a simple carbon chain of 6 carbon atoms, and treat it with Cr2O3, Al2O3 on 600 degrees Celsius, then you will get the benzene ring. Second is from alkynes. From alkynes, by the help of cyclic polymerization, in the presence of red hot iron tube, you will see the production of benzene ring. Third method is from haloarenes. When you reduce by the reduction method, haloarenes produces benzene ring in presence of nickel aluminium NaOH with heat. As you can see here, this is your arene benzene ring and halogen atom is attached to the benzene ring. That's why this kind of ring is known as haloarenes. Okay, and on reduction of haloarenes, you will get the formation of benzene ring. Fourth method is from phenolic compound. When alcoholic group is attached to the benzene ring, then the compound is known as phenol. Okay, so when you deoxygenate the phenolic group in presence of zinc and heat, you will see the production of benzene ring along with the ZNO type compound. Fifth reaction is from carbonyl compound. You know it very well, carbonyl compounds are your aldehyde and ketone. So when you reduce the carbonyl compounds, you will get the benzene ring formation. So number one reaction is your benzylaldehyde. When benzylaldehyde is reacting with hydrazine, that is NH2NH2, then there will be the formation of benzene ring attached with the along with the CH3 group attached on benzene ring. Okay, when you reduces the ketonic group in presence of ZnHg along with concentrated HCl, the product form will look like this. Sixth reaction is from carboxylic acid. Benzene ring on attachment with COOH reacting with soda lime in presence of heat gives the formation of benzene ring with carbon dioxide. Seventh is from sulfonic acid. When the benzene ring along with SO3H group in presence of H3O plus ion on heating gives the benzene ring along with H2SO4. Eighth reaction is by diazonium salt. First of all, the diazonium salt looks like this. When benzene ring has N2Cl group attached on it, this will be known as diazonium benzene. Okay, in presence of H3PO2 or SnCl2 plus NaOH or HCOOH, that is your formic acid, or in presence of ethanol, this will produces the benzene ring. Okay, this is very important reaction. Ninth reaction is by Grignard reagent. Okay, and number 10th is by the Wurtz-Fittig reaction. This 10th number reaction is very important since it is a name reaction. Okay, so when a haloarene is reacting with CH3Cl in presence of Na dry ether or heat, this will forms the benzene ring along with the CH3 group attached on benzene ring. Okay, so 10th number reaction is very important, that is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Now next is electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so benzenes has a characteristic reaction that is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reactions are the chemical reactions in which an electrophile displaces a functional group in a compound, which is typically but not always a hydrogen atom. Okay, So if you talk about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction, then there will be three steps. Number one step is the formation of electrophile. Second step is the attack of electrophile on benzene ring. As you can see here, these all are the resonating structures of the benzene ring when an electrophile attacks on the benzene ring. And third is the abstraction of the hydrogen ion, or you can say the attachment of an electrophile. Okay, so this is about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. Now there are four different kinds of electrophilic substitution reaction taking place in chemistry. Number one is the halogenation type of reaction. Okay, so when benzene ring is attacked with the halogen group, as you can see here, benzene ring is reacting with Cl2 molecule in presence of FeCl3. Then on benzene ring there will be the attachment of chlorine atom. Okay. Second is the nitration reaction. Nitration reaction always occurs with the concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4, that is known as nitrating mixture. When nitrating mixture is reacting with benzene ring, then the product formed will be look like this. On benzene ring, the presence of NO2 group can be seen. Third reaction is the sulfonation reaction. In sulfonation reaction, benzene ring is reacting with concentrated H2SO4. Okay. And number fourth is Friedel-Crafts reaction. This reaction is very important because this is also your another name reaction. And from this reaction, you will get a question in your exam. So what is Friedel-Crafts reaction? Alkylation or acylation of arenes in presence of Lewis acid like FeCl3, AlCl3 or ZnCl2 is called as FCR or Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, these three reactions are very important. When benzene ring is reacting with CHCl3 in presence of AlCl3, you will get the formation of triphenylmethane. Second is CCl3AlCl3. In the presence of this type of reagent, there will be the formation of triphenylchloromethane. While on reacting with CH double bond CHCl or PHCl AlCl3, there will be no Friedel-Crafts reaction. So these three are the very important reactions of benzene ring. Okay, so this was all about today's lecture. Now, in case if you are new here at our YouTube channel, you can like, share and subscribe. If you have any query, you can mail us on tanejanehamofficial@gmail.com, or you can also contact us on the given number. Now, a very important announcement. If you are preparing for CSIR UGC NET, you can follow Neha Taneja ma'am on Unacademy platform. On Unacademy platform, you will get daily live classes, structural courses, live tests and quizzes, and with one subscription, you will get unlimited access. If you are interested, you can go through with this detailed paid classes. After taking the detailed paid classes, you can use referral code NEHA, that is NEHA, and after using this referral code, you will get 10% discount on total fee. Thank you very much guys. I hope you all liked the video.